Out here in the North Woods, light does the teaching. It moves across granite, slides through the pine branches, rests quietly on the surface of the lake. Nature doesn't arrange itself in straight lines, but it follows structure. Rocks carry weight, trees grow with direction, shadows fall with purpose. And when you slow down long enough to notice, you begin to see structure within the complexity. At DILLMAN'S, we won't rush to copy what we see. We'll learn to understand it. And you won't arrive unprepared. Before the workshop, you'll receive a thoughtfully designed workbook, created to help you see more clearly before you even pick up a brush. You'll have reference images to study, drawings you'll prepare before the class, and simple ways to understand value and light ahead of time. And I will connect with you before the workshop, answering questions and helping you feel ready. So when you arrive, you're not trying to keep up, you're ready to move forward. So the workshop becomes a place to deepen understanding, not catch up. And when it's time to paint, you won't be left to figure out on your own. We'll work through each painting together, step by step, side by side. I paint, you paint, and we move forward in clear, manageable stages. You'll see each decision as it happens, have time to pause, ask questions, and understand why each step works. Because real learning just doesn't come from watching. You'll study structure before detail, value before color, light before texture. You'll see planes instead of objects, mass instead of fragments, design instead of distraction. And something shifts, and the experience extends beyond the easel. At DILLMAN'S Bay Resort, you're surrounded by quiet shoreline, comfortable cabins, meals shared with fellow painters, and time to slow down between sessions. It's a place people return to year after year for painting and everything around it. Watercolor becomes steady, decisions become clear, confidence replaces guesswork. Join me in 2026 at DILLMAN'S for one of my 2 4-day workshops, May 31st through June 5th, building a new depth, mastering gouache or pastel with watercolor. And the second one is September 13th through the 18th, Rivers, Rapids, and Waterfalls in watercolor. Come paint where the light does the teaching and leave seeing differently and discover what you've been missing.